In this video, I will show you sometime you will get error once you open your chart or once you like from the start, how you need to turn on your board. In this video, I will show you how you need to turn on your board. The chart will open here now. See that the chart is open. There is no board. First of all, you need to click it. You need to click on connection. Make sure okay your account should be logged in here. Okay, here you need to account. There is no green. You need to click on connection simulation. Okay, once it's green, you can enable it from here, or you need to click on right click strategy and you can do it from here as well. But best is if you have something here once you start your morning, right click, remove, and then again right click, remove. So that's the MNQ how you need to open your chart. Right click, strategy, trade with Raja. Here, click it, and here you need to type your two contact. Just you need to change your account here and just enable it, apply, okay, and you will see bot is here, and also you will see here this your in strategy you enable your strategy, it should be green. And same here in MGC, right click, strategy, trade with Raja, click on add. Here you need to select your MGC templates, how load MGC, load, and after that you need to select your account, and in setup section just enable it, apply, and click on OK. So you will see also here both are green, both are enabled, and both are active. And sometimes you need to remove your bot, just right in disable it. You see disable it, bot remove. If you already turn on, you need to the second option, instead of right click on strategy, you can just open your this control panel, click on strategy. Here you can enable it MGC, and here you also enable it MGC. If you are getting some error, contact with administrator, you need to right click, remove, and then on chart right click and add it again. Make sure you are both removed. Thank you so much.